Hello, everybody. This is part two of the video series on using Google Meet app in order to conduct your online classes. So, in the first part, we saw how we'll be able to schedule a meeting and customize its timings as per our need. In this particular video, we'll be focusing on how we can directly share our Google Meet link to our Google Classrooms. So let's quickly go ahead and create a meeting or schedule a meeting. Let me give it some title. Always a good idea to give a title to your class. Let us say I want it on a daily basis, entire next week from maybe 11 to 12 in the morning. Okay, so it repeats on a daily basis. And I can just click on save and this will schedule my meeting. And like we had already discussed, we can share this link through WhatsApp. Instead of doing it that way, you can directly save it to a Google Classroom if there is already a Google Classroom that exists on this particular account. So if I click on the calendar option towards the left bottom side, a list of all the Google Classrooms that I have created using this Gmail ID comes up. So I'm going to select one of the classrooms for which I'm scheduling this class, give it some description, link to our class Google Meeting, and then click on save. So doing this means that you're actually only sharing this particular Google Meeting scheduled invite only to the students of that particular classroom. So this is what I see from my side having scheduled a meeting. Now let us take a look at how exactly a student will view it when they log into their own Google Classroom. So once again, since I'm already logged in with my Gmail account, it is directly taking me to a list of classes associated with this account. This was the class to which I had shared that particular invite. So once I go into the Google Classroom, click on the classwork tab. So here, from a teacher's perspective, I will see the create option where I'll be able to create assignments and quizzes. A student will be able to see the various assignments or quizzes which a teacher has already created and posted. Now, under the same classwork tab, you will also see a link to the Google Calendar. So, clicking on the Google Calendar will display a list of all the scheduled classes. Now, for example, I had scheduled a daily class from the week of July 20th onwards. So, here it comes up inside the Google Classroom that there is a C programming class scheduled from 11 to 12 a.m. on a daily basis. Now, for the student to join, they can just click on the block and it directly connects them to the Google Meet app. So they can directly click on the join with Google Meet link and would directly be taken to your class that you're running through Google Meet. So this is a very quick and efficient way of sharing your meeting IDs with your students and also making sure that only the students of a particular class get the meeting invite IDs. In the next video, we'll try and look at the various options from within the Google Meet app itself.